Kanta-kanta lang yan, guys. Tingnan niyo siya, guys. So, pakita ko ang reality ng snow. Okay? So, pag-bago pa, ang snow, nice bayaan. Pero pagkadugayan na, look, ang snow nga din. Sa karsada, lahit da. There. It's so pangit na, guys. Yeah. Hi, guys. I'll tell you a story about snow. Okay.
The chicken?
Huh?
The chicken?
Do you know about the chicken? No, I was just telling them about the snow. Like before first time I got here, I really like the snow. But now, I still like it. But it's so cold outside. Like very, very cold. I don't know. Look at me, guys. I have 3 layers. 1, 2, 3. Ouch. Oh yeah, here. There's my here, 3. So yeah. Yeah, but like yeah, it's nice, very nice. Very very demure. But my husband, hindi niya gusto ang snow. He don't like snow. You like snow?
No.
Why you don't like snow? Tell me.
It's cold.
Huh?
It's cold.
It's cold.
Everything is wet all the time.
Oh. And yeah.
The snow.
Yeah. And the reality, when you're working, it's really hard. Like when you wake up in the morning, woke up. English 101. I'm sorry, I'm not studying good in the Philippines, so my English is not that good, but I'll survive.